So this is the breakfast. We're a bit away from home, so we have to pack a lot of food because we can't afford to buy it. So what we have an apple. It's pre-cut now. It'll be cut into more slices. My Swiss Army knife, because that's always gold. Thank you so much, Grandpa.
Not me.
Sorry. And the best thing, the peanut butter. Never forget the peanut butter.
I brought one for
yes, I brought a tiny one. So peanut butter, bam, on apple, bam, drink some water, warm up, and then we go there.
Look at that beauty. I'm gonna surf all the day.
Then we head out there.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it. Hi, camera.
Hi, camera.
Oh, look at that, look at that. Yes, girl.
No, get your stinky feet away from my apple. So you think my feet is dirty that this? That's what you think. Yeah.
You know, there's just nature down there. We don't know what's on your feet, JP.
Oh, there's a bit of sand on that piece.
There'll be plenty more where that came from.
It's different. It's harder.
I think it requires more balance because
You just
it's
have to
only
do a lot of like,
bouncing.
but
Yeah.
then once you catch the wave, I think you're done.
Because you need the,
Jack,
I don't know,
one tiny step back to let the sun.
People say you shouldn't, but I eat the entire apple. Maybe there's more like corruption.
so generous, wow.
What about corruption?
Tomato.
There was some points if you guys
was a
if you get the song and you want to use Shazam.
He wanted to use...
Shazam.
Oh, yeah. That's smart. That's
Hey, there was a $50 voucher.
See,
what?
that's an Italian.
voucher to
If you
what?
want it. Exactly, that's Italian. That's a
Voucher.
good explanation of Italians.
Using Shazam to cheat.
That's usually a big part of the morning routine is brushing the teeth.
Oh my god, look at my eyes, they're so red. You champ.
What'd you do?
Change his
my
underwear.
board shorts.
You know the
no,
button's right there.
I do now.
What?
Did you do yoga and exercise while fanning?
I did physiotherapy. So
Ooh.
physiotherapy exercises.
Nice.
We do them.
Are you self-taught?
Huh?
Last time she
Yeah,
was
it's
red
true,
as a
it's true,
freaking
it's true,
lobster.
it's true. But it only lasted one day, so it doesn't really matter.
Oh.
What do you mean this is slow? Because we are not surfing.
Well, usually when I'm around guys, they're quite like, oh, let's just go. But these guys, they're very like, oh, we'll just go with the flow. We'll get there.
That's how it should be.
Yeah,
We took it from Joe.
It's Joe.
Stuff to do I haven't done.
Seriously, it's just...
I would be surfing.
Okay, what I
by
would
ear.
call you guys
alone.
thorough. You're thorough.
No, if I want,
Yeah, okay.
if you
So no party
Gotta get the
parties.
hair out of my face. Maybe I should do like
Serious? Fuck yeah.
Kelly
What
Slater
does that look like?
and just shave it. I'm not on his level of surfing yet, but I feel like I might get there at some
It's
point.
all in the...
Watch out.
You know? Okay, everyone attack.
Okay, let's go.
Oh wait.
Wait, let's bring this stuff in here.
Where is my gun?
Where'd she go? How is she already there?
You have to flow. It's never too much wax.
Never too much wax.
Maybe.
Exactly. And
Is
then
that
mayonnaise.
true?
go like this.
Is that true? Never too much
No
wax.
idea.
I'm taking away the wax I just
Have you
buy.
kind of one?
Grind the board. Have you
Like
seen that
it's
one?
just not. It's not.
Definitely have.
Yeah,
It
you
feels
just
like
know
the
what.
back-
Right? Far away from the brake. Like straight out here, pretty good. Why? There's no brake.
Run past the rivers, run past all the light. Feel it crashing and burning till it all collides. Strike a match, lit the fire, shining up the sky. As it all comes down again, as it all comes down again, as it all comes down again to the south.